Found an SS file inside your Factorio game folder and curious what it captures. This screenshot format records your factory builds in detail. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Factorio screenshot files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the SS format and dozens of others obsolete. Players of the popular factory building game Factorio create .ss files when taking high-resolution screenshots in-game. The user's intent is typically to view, share, or edit these detailed images of their complex factory layouts. They often need to know how to convert it to a standard format, like PNG or JPG. The .ss format is a custom, uncompressed raster image format used by Factorio to capture screenshots without quality loss. It stores raw pixel data, allowing for extremely large and detailed images. This binary design prioritizes fidelity over file size, which is crucial for the game's intricate visuals. For reliable opening, Factorio by Wube Software Ltd. offers the best solution for SS. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows cannot open script or data files used by engines, so specialized tools must interpret them. Time to see which installed program links the file. Right-click the SS file and select Open With. Test Factorio if you see it. If it is missing, select any other program and keep checking until the file opens. If you are still having trouble opening the SS file, do not worry. This SS format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, opening as image. Open SS files in any standard image viewer like Windows Photos, macOS Preview, or web browsers, since they typically use PNG or JPEG formats internally. The screenshot displays at full resolution, showing the captured factory area with all details visible for review and analysis. Next, editing or cropping. Edit Factorio screenshots in image editors like GIMP, Photoshop, or Paint.net for cropping, annotation, or enhancement. Crop large screenshots to focus on specific factory sections. Add arrows and text to highlight design elements, or apply filters for sharing on community sites and forums. Finally, sharing with community. Upload Factorio screenshots to Reddit Imgur or the official Factorio forums to share factory designs. Use community-recommended image hosts that preserve high-resolution detail without aggressive compression, which would obscure the intricate factory layouts that Factorio players appreciate inspecting closely. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.